Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete account on Grindr. But first of all, I'm really sorry I'm taking this video like this instead of a screen recording because when you screen record, Grindr just turned the video black. So we have to get a little bit creative, but otherwise, what you do, make sure here at the bottom left, you've clicked on browse, and then you come here at the top left and you click on your profile icon. That is me right there. And what we need to do now is come here and click on settings. And here you'll see deactivate. So you just go ahead and click on deactivate because once we go ahead and click on that, we'll actually get an option to delete. So let me go ahead and do that. As you can see here at the bottom, we have this option to delete our account. I'm sorry to have you go, but that just means, less competition for me. So here you can choose why you want to delete your account. If you don't want to answer this, you can just skip it. It's okay. And then they give you this prompt that you can take a break without losing all your data by logging out. And what I suggest, if you really want to just delete, just go ahead and delete, okay? Just go ahead and click on delete, and they'll give you this prompt where they're going to ask you if you're sure that you want to delete your Grindr profile, and all your information will be permanently deleted from a Grindr system, which is actually a good thing. And if you delete your account multiple times, guys, you will no longer be able to re-register with the Grindr. So if you're really sure about this, just go ahead and click on delete, and you're gone forever, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.